Hello! Good evening. Sunday evening.
Hey.
Maybe a bit more quiet. Okay, I think that should be fine.
Good evening, birds.
Oh, good evening to me. Fuck you, dude. Alright, so I didn't get any time at all to work on things during this week. We're still exactly at the same place as we left off last time.
Good evening, master of birds.
Thank you. Alright,
Evening to birds and their dumber sonar.
Thank you. Alright. The thing we wanted to look at is allowing the usage of multiple colors in text. So that you can have, like, only certain regions of text be colored a certain way. You know, so you can do highlighting and stuff. So the way things work right now is things. So the font rendering library stuffs things into buffers and stuff, and it uses a fixed amount of vertices per character. So my idea was to simply add a third buffer that only contains the per vertex color information and then tie that into the vertex array that it automatically fills, then access that information in a new fragment shader to do the coloring. But I don't know if that's a good idea. It seems like the most straightforward thing to get this done, I guess. Kind of wasteful because we're you know, because we have 4 vertices per character and we really only need one color. But I guess have rainbow characters if you want. Yeah. But it's a bit wasteful. I don't know if there's a better way to do this. I don't think there's a thing that lets you, like, have only one color per every 4th vertex. I think that's possible. So yeah. Anyway. That's that. And I guess I'll think about how to work on that. How you guys doing though? Are you having a fine weekend? You have a good week and stuff? Or what's up, my dudes?
Doing great. Documentation is pain, but the rest is fun.
Sounds good.
We had 12 people at my home. It was horrible. Social interaction overload.
Oh yeah, I don't like gatherings either. Did you at least have, like, good food and stuff?
Food was decent, but I quickly bailed to my room, lol.
Alright.
So what is our goal tonight?
I just explained that. At least I thought I did.
I must have missed it. I'm sorry.
Goal is to get text that can support multiple colors per character, so, well, multiple colors over characters so you can highlight things. Currently you can only choose one color for the entirety of the text, which is subpar.
Oh, right.
There's 3 spaces. Okay, that should take care of that. No, actually... Let me do that. Okay. Can I load things even? Yes. Oh, right, text coordinate is that position. I really wish, you know, these are kind of neat things that GLSL Toolkit can do ahead of time. I just wish it could do a lot more than that, because, you know, you can do all sorts of nifty inference things ahead of time, but it just doesn't right now because I don't have time for it. Anyway, right now it just, like, if I change it to 1 again, it complains here because there's a mismatch in declarations that it cannot resolve. Like, because it is a textured entity, a previous shader declared a vector 2 at location 1, and now we're declaring a vector 4 at location 1, which doesn't match up, and it can't resolve that. But luckily it's an error because it should be 2.
Nice.
Anywho,
Time, our most precious resource.
Time. Let me actually play that while I do things. Hold on. I'll be right there. Oh.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Waking up in a
Time.
12 degrees Celsius room is not very nice.
Time is like a river. or a line. Some people think time is like this. But what exactly is time? Like a grateful officer once said, time is not time unless you are timing it. Here's some examples of time. 2:30, 3:45, 1 o'clock, midday. Without time, it would be for the people. It would be bad for people. Some people thought that you could travel through time, but it didn't work. Time is a very fragile thing, and if we keep polluting it with greenhouse gases and carbon monoxide, then we'll all be out of time if you know, can be.
Oh, shit.
Excellent.
Yes.
Nice. I love that video. Too bad it runs out of time at the end.
All good things come to an end, you know? Okay. So, now the next question is, how do we actually denote colors? Colors. You know, And then we must have like a... done it before. Where does it actually... it allocates the... It is in World of Guno. This is... what is this? X3TC. The generic kind of just collection of stuff I play when I'm playing Space Station 13, which I do want to play again. Change the Yoda. Ah. No, wait, hold on. I'm getting confused. The stride is not different for each, right? Oh boy. Let me also... this. So the stride is 8 times 8. 64, right? Am I doing that right? Full color rate is 32 bits, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think that should be right. Maybe. Type data usage. Let's type. What? Oh. There we go. I need the EBL. Alright, so how do we do this? So we need to generate a vector with object array of fine array. It's gonna be floats, and it's gonna be 3 floats per character. Characters 4, so length range. Okay, and then how do I update things dynamically? I forget. Buffer, sub-buffer, something. Let me just lip font. Real buffer data, is it? Okay, so it's not like textures and stuff. Buffer data. Wait, don't I have things in the assets to do that for me? Resources. Critics buffer. An allocate. So we should probably separate the actual uploading of the data into a separate function that can be called separately from allocate. Let's do that. State buffer data. Data. I mean, this is almost everything except for the creation of the buffer. Reveal buffer. Okay.
Sorry if I missed stuff or drop out. Connection seems choppy right now.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay. So we can buffer data, CBO array, and that should do whatever. Okay, good. So probably the way you want to highlight things is by giving a series of indices, like regions of text and plus a color. Since usually you probably don't want to change color for every single character. So that seems like a preferred method.
Needs more regular expression.
Aye. Whatever for. Color regions.
For choosing the text.
I don't get it. So, hold on. Color region.
Highlight text that matches regular expression.
Oh, okay. Well, we're not even at the point of highlighting things, so... nah. Still don't know what that is about. Right, so... Is that a good idea? No, wait, this is stupid. Where is it? No. Okay, if I is smaller than S, nothing. If I is smaller or equal to... No, wait. E is smaller or equal to I. Need to drop it. Options. Otherwise, no. Say if I is smaller than E. Okay, and otherwise, I think I have a constant for that. Insert C. Array float. J. Need to be 3, that needs to be 4. Okay, I think that's right. I think that's right. I have no idea, but I think that's right. But I guess we're gonna find out soon. Let me just actually change this to update highlight buffer. Maybe need the font? No, I don't. Right. Okay. Now we should be good. Workbench. Enter, make instance. No, we want a highlight it. Next is Hello there. Okay. Crash. Fuck yeah. Damn it. Wait, why is EBO unbound? That doesn't make any sense. Should be constructed in this after method. Yeah. And because that's a super class, it should trigger before my own after method. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Of course. How could it ever be otherwise? That. Let me just be sure about that. Launch. Fuck. Workbench. Font. Asset. What is the controller thingy? I'll know the one. Here we go. Missing. Why? Oh, because it's not called AO, right? Whoop. And this also needs to default in dark. Wait. Oh yeah. Gosh darn special cases. Right, that's another problem. Fuck. Why? Memory faults. Ah! That's no bueno. Oh boy, that means something with this or this is not right.
Docs say could be incorrect target.
Nah, that's not it.
GL_invalid_operation is generated if texture was previously created with a target that doesn't match that of target.
Yeah, but that's not it. No, it's just, I'm doing something else wrong, and if there's a bad memory access, like for instance out of bounds or something like that,
smiley face.
then the driver usually anyway just goes completely bonkers and gives you random errors in completely different places. It is very nasty. So yeah, I'm guessing I got something with the offset of the stride not quite right thingies. So wait, the stride is 16 here, which is fine. Alright, no wait, what? Why is it 16? Huh? Are these only... Oh, because they're only 4 bytes, right? Is that... No, because they're... What? Confused. Float is 4 bytes, right? 32 bits? Why is the stride only 16, huh?
Yup.
I'm confused. So this should be 48? Or... Huh? Why is the stride here 16 for just these two? What?
Using unsigned short or half floats.
I don't remember. Let me look in the font thing. No, no, it should be floats. Why is the fucking stride stuff has always confused me. I mean, this is evidently correct because that works, but... Huh? So should it just be 32 in total? Doesn't make any sense to me, but... Let's give her a shot! Oh right, memory fault was still happening. I don't... CBO is the color buffer. Nope, still erring. Basically, if I were to draw this up real quick. So what I have is a single buffer which has... Ah, Jesus Christ, this is sucking. So I have a single buffer. Let me back up. Right, and then here I have like 2 floats for position, followed by 2 floats for UV, and so forth. So, kind of these units. Hold on, let me draw that. That's the standard buffer layout. And now I want to add a third buffer. Oh right, because the stride should be... I shouldn't even touch the stride at all. So this should be 16, and this should be 16, I guess. And the offset should be 0. That makes more sense, because now we have a secondary buffer, which just has the color information, so for each vertex, just has 4 floats. So basically this. Right. Oh.
That makes more sense.
Something like that.
Couldn't see why the stride of first buffer affected second.
Yeah, I was just confused. Fucking... It needs to be like that. But I still don't understand why the stride is 16. What sense does that make? They are floats. So I don't get it. I think I don't need to specify that because default is float. Yeah. What else is wrong? Lord Almighty. Maybe it's still stuck or something. I don't know. Nope. Fuck. Why? What? I really don't get why the stride is 16 here. That makes sense to me. And the default allocations. Load time. Are floats like 2 bytes? No, right? That makes no sense.
Stride specifies the byte offset between consecutive generic vertex attribute.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. But why is it 16 here? When we have... two floats. Followed by 2 floats. My brain is not working, so... Wait, no, that's right, so... 4 times 4, that's 16, so... Yeah, that's right. Yeah. And this should also be 16. Okay, yeah, I don't know what is going on with my head right now, so... Wait, update buffer data... Doesn't take a size.
No worries.
Okay, so now we can specify the size, which is going to be that. Okay. Hey! Doesn't crash. Amazing. And we have a thing there, and it looks really weird. Look that. Do you see that? Wow, that's weird. Let me crank up the size. Workbench.
The
Size.
power of Lisp.
Yeah, right.
Hee hee.
Why? Huh? Is that happening? That is interesting.
Because you don't really mean it.
Is it transparent? It seems that way. Why is... Also, let me... Good, maybe inline those, but I'm just... Minor optimization, not that it's gonna matter. But why is the alpha so fucked? Oh, that's even better. What? What? Huh? You kidding me, dude? What? Okay, let me see. So, color regions. So we have a region from like 0 to 5. Region is gonna be red. Why? Okay, something is obviously not right. Uh, um... Seems to be inserting things, right? Man, I wish I knew what the hell was in these buffers. Or what GL thinks is in these buffers. So if I do this, doesn't change at all. Huh? Why? What is this? Like fucking Bizarro land here. What was it called? Yeah, the code looks alright. I don't see anything obviously wrong with it. Ooh. Funky. Okay. Alright. What is it doing? Like, really interesting.
Could we have a quick look at that VAO setup again?
Sure, here you go. Like, how does that even work? That it has, like, small gradients like this. What? Oh. Wait, I see. I'm indexing things wrong here. Hey. That's still completely wrong. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere.
Silly little mistake.
Yep, now it's completely transparent instead of red. Oh, because I made it completely transparent. Now it's black. Right.
We are getting slowly further right.
I think this should be assignment instead of... Yeah. We have to ignore the overall color here after all, because otherwise it doesn't make any sense. At least I don't think it can make it work. Intensity. Ah. And edit shaders text. Hey, there we go. Hello there. Got it. Did it. Woo woo. Bitches. Ah, jeez.
Great job.
So the next step from here is exporting the shit. Package. Next. Text. 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 Highlight it. Text. And then we have color region. Okay. Kinda like it if this was more efficient. Something like memcpi, but you know, I'll just fix me ahead of time relation of color to buffers, and then simply okay. Okay. Wait, actually, I'm a fucking idiot. But we shouldn't be inserted. Oh, wait, yeah. Color text. There we go. Now we have it, right? Now, yes, good. Now it uses the default color wherever it isn't explicitly colored. I can push. Thank you. Okay. Beamer. Now the next test is to have a text that does code highlighting and stuff. And I think I'm not gonna like do anything fancy for this. I'm just gonna search for certain words and highlight those. And that's it. I think that's just all I'm gonna do, and that should be sufficient, really. Also, let me add another fix me for... Fix me, check for overlapping region. Because that's a no-no. Alright, so what we need now is... highlight.
Beautiful.
What we need now is simple source code highlight thingy. Determine region. Next. Language. Let's. Right. And now we can regex stuff in order to find the words. Yay! So, maybe...
Regex, oi.
Yes. Also, let me treat you to another video. In the meantime, I wish I hadn't deleted the fucking Windows source. Hold on a sec. No, not my own stream. I don't want to watch me. By God, no. I'm not that stupid.
Don't do it.
That's a good idea.
Here you go. It's your treat.
Dunkin' Donuts for you! Boom, 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 bada, boom, 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 bada, bada, boom, 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 bada, boom, boom, boom. I got Dunkin' Donuts for you.
Excellent.
Eat them. Eat them. Just put them in your mouth.
Incredible.
Unacceptable. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I hope you enjoyed that.
Bring back Cube.
That's one of my favorite videos of all time. I
Thank
don't know
you.
why, but great. Anyway, here we go. Here's the fucking style thingy. Rip this out.
It is apparently.
You have a weird taste.
Hey man, I have an acquired taste, I'll have you know.
Time is still his better video.
Where's that fucking... Hold on. Here we go.
Why are you so sad? It's Mother's Day and I
Oh
didn't get my mom a
Jesus,
present.
more.
Well, my mom's dead. Well, you know, my mom. Oh! Oh! A fire! Oh! It's a fire!
Why are you doing this to us?
Happy Mother's Day.
That was better than the last one at least.
黑人问号
They were both great, I'll have you know. Also, what the fuck are you doing, Iso? I can't understand your moon speak.
I pity the person who will watch this stream to find out interesting things and finds this instead.
What do you mean? This is the epitome of interest. Sir, I'll have you know.
Epitome.
Epitome. Epitome? Epitome. Whatever.
Also, it's the name of a meme.
What is the name of a meme? I don't know what you're on about. Alright,
The Moonspeak.
okay. Sure. LDB, like... I don't have the thingy. No, wait, that's 8, and this is... I'm a dumbass. Oh boy. Yep. 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 Works. Data video 2. Comment.
Perfect.
7, 5, and 1. I could fucking type. What else are we gonna do? Keyword, I guess. Yeah. 669EF. Operator. Difference between an operator and a keyword. Seem to use the same thing a lot of things. And that's just text again. So many things. What does 669EF any look like anyway? Can I like thing here? Can I like enter the color or something? Here, did it not copy? Blue, okay, that's definitely not what I want. Probably be rather this, right? Yes, there it is. And I guess strings. Maybe at some point. Okay, right, so this can fuck off now. Theme. Fuck is this? Oh my god. Like not. Thank you. Linux. It never works. Alright. Even when it does, it doesn't work. So now we need...
It's very reliable.
Mm-hmm. Moment. Something like that. Go line by line. No, that's not a good idea. Agexes ahoy! String is no, you can't parse the string right, but fuck it. Gonna have to do. Why did I? Why is that? All right. Keywords are like, guess like, what are any, macros and special operators in? Is there like a list of special operators in Common Lisp, somewhere in the hyperspec? I mean, probably there is, but fucked if I know where it is. Full flow. Let me just maybe. This. Operator doesn't have a link to thing. No. Oh, thank you. Excellent. Okay. So we are this here. Right.
Your birds are being cute.
Are they? Aww. Oh. Okay, and then I guess we'll have all the def thingies. Well, and the do's and the things and the thing tang thongs. Yes. Okay. What's the word boundary thing? Is it B? Boundary. Yes. Eric. That's funny. Whoop. Oh wait, this token. Alrighty. Keywords within strings and comments will be broken for now, but I don't give a shit. Okay. Append. No, not register groups. What did I want? What's the difference between do scans and do matches? I don't remember. Scans, do matches. Oh, because it has a register group. Okay. Don't need that then. E. Enough. Parse. Regex. Okay, do that, I think, maybe. Give it a shot. Which package are we in here? I don't know because it's... Yeah, we're probably still in trial because it thinks we're in trial. Workbench. Color regions. German regions. Or... defund some shit. Hey man. Fuck dude. And then like something. And we need to actually fix. Okay. It crashed! Yay! What? Update highlight buffer. And what's the highlight? Why is that that? Because I'm an
Yay.
idiot. This and
Fuck yeah, crashing.
Baggers knows the spirit. Color. No, that should. Nope. Really bad. Wow. Maybe got confused. Something. Should actually build stuff in workbench and over afterwards. That does not seem to work at all. Why? So let me just change the size back down to like a 10, 15. Oh wait, it does kind of work. I didn't recognize defund for some reason. That worked, but the string didn't quite work right. Why not? Because... no, wait. Maybe that needs to be like this. Oh, what?
Whoop.
Also, that needs to be like that. Why? Why is that not... what? How? Is that not different? Huh? Okay. If I do this... okay. Huh? Still confused. So... we do... let me see what's up with that. Well... so it does see the defun, but it doesn't apply it for some reason. ¿Por qué? Yeah, that worked just fine. What the fuck? Okay, let me go back in here and this again. What? Oh, I'm dumb. Yeah, it is Supposedly. No, wait, that's not right. What? Why is it not seeing that? Because I'm a stupid idiot? Probably. Yes. No, wait. I smaller. If I is smaller than E, and that should be the case. Right? Because S, the first S is 0, right? So... just... let me... that instead. So... immediately pops it. Not even there. Why? What? Huh? Why is that wrong? Is it sorting it the reverse way of what it should? No?
Mysterious.
What? Oh, I get it. I get it. Always the same problem of using init args when you need to do computation on initialization. Other regions. Region. That's the ticket. There you go. Good. We're almost there. Now to figure out why the fuck that goddamn shit isn't working right. Also let me make a better example here, like... that's... let index be go. Now it's working, right? Why was that just a corner case of when this is happening? Yep. Okay. Why? Sure, that's in here. Probably comment these out. Right, so when we pop, it might still have a thing, so we need to find instead. Yep, there we go, good. Yeah. Sweet. Would also like to have more stuff. Fuck, I wish I hadn't closed the Monakai theme right now. But thanks to IDO, I don't have to remember where it was. So they have a blue thing here, right? This one, I believe. Yes, and that's what they use for other kinds of keys. Not sure what to call this. So, guess this should be more like a construct The keyword. And here we have the and then we have whole environment optional the ox. I think that's all of them. Whole environment, optional rest, body key ox. Right, body and rest is what I was missing. There we go. Don't need two closing parents for that. There we go. Sweet. Now we got fancy ass highlighting. Dick, dude. Let's also define.
Nice.
Man. I mean, the whole thing is kind of ad hoc right now, but I can always make it better thingy.
Man, this reminds me of a project that I'd like to do someday.
Which is? What does GLSL have? If, else... for, while, do...
This reminds me of a puzzle.
Turn... And then keywords would be like all the vector types. Click.
Also, I can't scroll back for some reason.
You mean in the stream? Or what? Or is your mouse wheel broken?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a change. I switched it over to a ultra low latency mode on YouTube, which means that whatever they called their instant replay thingy is not available anymore. But now the delay between me saying something and you hearing it should be in the order of a few seconds, like 2 seconds or less, or something like that, which is nice.
It's much better.
Yeah.
Ping.
I don't know if I should...
In which case, I missed a couple seconds after I posted something because my network glitched out.
Oh, that's a shame. I have a fucking list here, all this stupid bullshit. So let me just have a look. Well, I don't have a list, but, you know, a grammar. Where's the type thing? Integer, octal.
It's about that animation program that I have been meaning to make.
Ah. VLSL keywords. Where's that defined? Here we go. That's a long list. Some of them I want to filter out, but most of them are exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we don't want file. You probably also not. Well, actually, let me write these down. Another list. Form union. Type dev. Definitely a construct. Yes. Superb. What? Fuck is that? Oh, probably for super precision or something like that. Eyes off.
I do wonder if the presentation thing you're making would eventually support animation or something like that.
Well, I mean, you can render whatever you want into it, so sure, why not? Plus, I already have an animation engine, sort of. Flare is that, and it's integrated into Trial to some extent. I haven't tested Flare in...
Like moving text.
Sure, why not? I haven't tested Flare in like forever. So I'm probably gonna have to fix some things, but it should be doable. Flare is my animation engine, so yeah, you can definitely, you know, do things like that.
I should try using that. What about rotating text?
Sure, why not? Sample return. What is restrict? Oh, never seen that either. Probably an operator. Probably also unused. Read only, public precision, precise patch, partition, output other line. Had to sneeze. Ooh, that's a typo. Better fix that.
Restrict is a memory qualifier.
Okay. Where is that at, anyway? Tokens, maybe? No. Oh, fucking... Oh, it's in toolkit, okay. Where was it? Output. Disk. Oh, damn. What? Okay. Back to this. Not sure if I should make the out in and uniform things. Yeah, there should probably not be keywords, so. Out. Namespace. Another thing that's not actually used. Long layout. Sampler, 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 input. Interface and variant. So many reserved keywords they're not even using. Imagine if they ever fucking add like shit, like templates and stuff for which they have reserved keywords. These. I hope to God that never happens.
Ugh.
Yeah. Go to even nice. So go to does have its flat fixed filter. I don't even know what that is. Internal, external. Probably. Else. Do add card. Operator for sure. All probably as well. Continue cunt. Class. They even have class reserved. Class. Great. Fast. Paste. Buffer break. Const. Debating whether I should only make types the other thing and everything else keywords. Probably should. So, void varying part of the type. Uniform. Oh, union as well. That'll be in here. Static. No, static is part of the type. Shared. I don't know what the fuck filter is. Or common or centroid. Not that it's gonna matter much for what I'm doing right now, but you know, I like to get things right on the first try. ASM is definitely...
Centroid is to do with sampling.
Okay. And coherent and common. Coherent is about layout, right? And common is what? Ah, whatever. Fuck it, dude. I don't give a shit. Okay, so this list goes into this buffer, and here we go and replace.
Sounds like memory coherency, but I don't know.
That. Wait, that didn't. I'm a dumbass. Okay. These are the keywords. And these are construct, I suppose. Alright, sweet. Now we can finally integrate this into the beamer stuff. Yoink. Beamer. Highlight. Right, so now functions code should be light text, but also a highlight text. Highlightable? What was it named? Already forgot. Great, highlighted. Color. Text. String multiple value lines. Base regions. Common region. Text. Just okay. Okay, and then
A real-time GLSL editor. Incredible.
well, we're not quite there yet. Okay. You start pitch, and then bench. Oof, and then we can actually SD. Did I screw up? Oh. Thanks. Ah, god damn it, so many things I'm missing. Dumbass! Okay, let me do that better ways again. Better. Whoa, I don't want to write Japanese right now. Sometimes my fingers just make things that I don't want happen. What? Why?
Simply amazing.
About why does... Huh? What? But I'm... doing that right now. Oh, I need to allow it. Ugh. Okay. Well, that doesn't look right. Look right at all.
It works.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I also should change things to keywords are either that or that. Oh my god, okay. Almost. Okay, so that's that. And now we need to the editor. And I need to get the same treatment. My text. So here though, the editor needs to update itself whenever the text changes. So we need to have the theme and the language, arg, language, language, theme. Parts of the argument, language. There we go. Now we need... I'm hurrying up like mad because we're almost out of time. There actually is B language spoken something. Yeah, whatever. I'll rename things to be consistent later. Or no, I'll leave this as it is. Oh, fine. Okay, now. When the text is updated, what happens where? It happens. Dum dum dum. There, set of okay, the text does get updated, that's good. Def method set of text or text multiple value lines base regions. What was it called? Determine regions. Text. Base. Now this is inefficient because it does multiple updates whenever the text changes, but it should be fine for the most part. Hey, almost. What the fuck is happening here? That's interesting. I'm guessing the keyword things are freaking out. So hold on.
Ooh.
Keyword stuff. Not right. Because how do you do the this to make a non-greedy match or whatever? How do you regex non-greedy? My regex foo has deteriorated. Yes, question mark. Good. Okay, now that's entirely wrong
Put
now.
at the end.
We're too slow with that, but thanks anyway. I think I can make it work better by just having it be like, you know, a primitive version of it, which is just a... What's the word, Klaus? Small w, right? Ah. Yes. Okay. Cool. Now we just need to have the test the editor for the code. Language. Yeah, I do want the translation in there, so let me get back here. But tokens, not keywords. Need to rename all this stuff and rework it anyway, but you know, you get the deal. Language, GLSL, that's okay, because it's not bound and stuff. Okay. That is really screwed up. What the fuck? Wow, look at that. That's way beyond messed up. Why? What? Interesting, but way messed up. At least this still works. Whee! Anyway, we got the basic concept here. And I'm sure I can work out the few kinks I have throughout the week. Yeah. Cool. So we're well on our way
Good stuff,
to
dude.
doing things. Yeah, look at that. Fucking sick. Suck my delts. Let me just commit things.
Yeah, it's good.
Binary support for code writing. Okay. We made good progress tonight. Nice.
Thanks for the stream.
Yeah. Gonna do video games now for half an hour as usual. So stick around if you want to see that. Stick also around if you don't want to see that. I'm lonely.
Thanks for trees.
Anyway.
And birds.
Thanks for sticking around. Yeah. Birds weren't too active tonight, but
Bird.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Enjoyed the show anyway.
Ciao.
Bye-bye.